The very first problem we have here is root 3 sin theta minus cos theta is equal to root 2. Whenever you have like this, divide both sides with coefficients of sin theta and cos theta. Sum of squares of coefficients of sin theta and cos theta. So here you have root of 1 plus, here 1, here root 3. Root 3 square is 3. 1 plus 3, that is 4. Root 4 is equal to 2. Now dividing both sides with 2, you have root 3 by 2 sin theta minus 1 by 2 cos theta is equal to root 2 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is nothing but cos 5 by 6, that is cos 30. 1 by 2 is nothing, you can write 1 by 2 as sin pi by 6 into cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Here if you multiply and divide with root 2, you get 1 by root 2. Now this is of the form sin of a minus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So that is sin of theta minus pi by 6, that is equal to 1 by root 2 is nothing but sin pi by 4, sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Now you know the general solution of sin theta is n pi plus or plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. Here alpha is equal to pi by 4. So theta minus pi by 6 is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into pi by 4. Send this pi by 6 that side, it will become theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n pi by 4 plus pi by 6. That's about this problem. The next problem for today, cot x plus cosecant x is equal to root 3. Cot x can be written as cos x by sin x, cosecant x can be written as 1 by sin x, that is equal to root 3. So this can be written as cos x plus 1 is equal to root 3 sin x. Bring cos x that side, you will have root 3 excuse me, root 3 sin x minus cos x is equal to 1. Divide with root of 3 plus 1, that is root 4, that is 2. So you have root 3 by 2 sin x minus 1 by 2 cos x is equal to 1 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is cos pi by 6, 1 by 2 is sin pi by 6. So this is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, that is sin of a minus b, that is x minus pi by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2 can be written as sin pi by 6. General solution for sin is n pi plus of minus 1 whole power n pi by 6. So here the general solution for this is n pi plus of minus 1 whole power 6, that is equal to x minus pi by 6. Pi by 6 goes that side, x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n pi by 6 plus pi by 6, where n belongs to that, this is the general solution. In the next problem we have x plus y is equal to 2 pi by 3, that is 120. Sin x plus sin y is 3 by 2. Find x and y. Sin x plus sin y is equal to 3 by 2. Sin plus sin is 2 cos sin, 2 sin cos. Sin plus sin is 2 sin cos. 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. 2 x plus y by 2 is, x plus y is 120, x plus y by 2 will be 60, cos x minus y by 2 is equal to 3 by 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, 2 get cancelled, cos x minus y by 2, that is equal to 3 by 2, cos x minus y by 2 is equal to root 3 comes down, 3 by root 3 into 2, cos x minus y by 2 is equal to 3 by root 3 can be written as root 3. So cos x minus y by 2 is equal to root 3 by 2, that is equal to cos pi by 6. Now x minus y by 2 is 30, that means x minus y is 60, x plus y is 120. Add both, 2x equal to 180, x is equal to 90, x value is 90, y value is equal to 30. So 90 minus 30 will be 60, 90 plus 30 will be 120, therefore x value is 90 and y value is 30. Our next problem for today, sin x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x is equal to cos x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x. We are clubbing sin 3x and sin x plus sin 2x, and here we are clubbing cos 3x plus cos x plus cos 2x. Sin plus sin is 2 sin cos, 2 sin 3x plus x by 2, cos 3x minus x by 2 is sin 2x, cos plus cos, 2 cos cos, 2 cos 3x plus x by 2, cos 3x minus x by 2 plus cos 2x. Now this is 3x plus x by 2, that will be 2x, 3x minus x by 2 will be x. So 2 sin 2x cos x plus sin 2x, 2 cos 2x cos x plus cos 2x. Now from these two I can take sin 2x common. If you take sin 2x common, you have 2 cos x plus 1. Here if you take cos 2x common, you have 2 cos x plus 1. Now bring this here, you can take 2 cos x plus 1 common. Take 2 cos x plus 1 common, you are left with sin 2x minus cos 2x is equal to 0. Cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2, tan 2x is equal to 1. If cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2, then cos value is 2 pi by 3. General solution is 2n pi plus or minus 2 pi by 3. This is for cos. If tan 2x is equal to pi by 4, x is equal to pi by 8. General solution is n pi plus alpha, so that is n pi plus pi by 8. You have next problem, cos 3x minus cos 4x is equal to cos 5x minus cos 6x. Bring cos 6x this side, take cos 3x that side. You have cos 6x minus cos 4x is equal to cos 5x minus cos 3x. Now cos minus cos, minus 2 sin sin, minus 2 sin 6x plus 4x by 2, 6x minus 4x by 2. That means you will get minus 2 sin 5x sin x. Cos minus cos is minus 2 sin sin, so you get minus 2, 5x plus 3x by 2 is 4x, 5x minus 3x by 2 is x. Bring this term here, you have 2 sin x is equal to sin x sin 5x minus sin 4x is equal to 0. Now sin minus sin, 2 cos sin, so 1 2 will come here, so it will become 4 here, 4 sin x, 5x plus 4x by 2, 5x minus 4x by 2, 5x plus 4x by 2 is 9x by 2, 5x minus 4x is x by 2, that is equal to 0. Here you have 3 terms, sin x cos 9x by 2, sin x by 2 is 0. If sin x is equal to 0, then x is equal to n pi is a solution. If cos 9x by 2 is equal to 0, 9x by 2 is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. So x value will be equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 9. Sin x by 2 is 0 implies x by 2 is equal to n pi, x is equal to 2n pi, where n belongs to z. These are the 3 general solutions. Now next problem, you have cos 2 theta plus cos 8 theta is equal to cos 5 theta. Cos plus cos, 2 cos cos, 2 cos 2 theta plus 8 theta by 2, cos 2 theta minus 8 theta by 2 minus cos 5 theta is equal to 0. 2 theta plus 8 theta is 10 theta by 2, 10 theta by 2 is 5 theta. 2 theta minus 8 theta is minus 6 theta by 2, that is 3 theta, minus cos 5 theta is equal to 0. Take cos 5 theta out, you have 2 cos 3 theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Here cos 5 theta is equal to 0 implies 5 theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Whenever you have 0, the solution, general solution is 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 10. Theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 10. 2 cos 3 theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Cos 3 theta is equal to 1 by 2. 3 theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3. Pi by 3 is 60. Theta is equal to this is a general solution for cos theta is equal to 2n pi by 3 plus or minus pi by 9. That is the general solution here.